Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Journey to Become Wealthy. My name is Kelvin Reed, and today is Friday. Hopefully, you all had a good trading week. We know the market has been, crazy. We saw some sideways, some ups, and some downs, but for the most part, we're down this week. Y'all know if you watched Sunday and Monday, I told you we were due for a pullback, and this week it looks like we got exactly what I called out. Now, granted, we had some up days, but for the most part, we are down for the week. So before I get too far into it, make sure you like, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so that you get notified when I make videos. So let's talk about it, guys. Let's talk about it. Most of the indexes are down this week, or they traded sideways. Now we know for a fact we had the Fed Powell speech this week. We had earnings this week where last week the big dogs pretty much fell short. First of all, and then this week we had a few earnings where Disney did well, but it was well based on a lower EPS, right? So, hey, how do you call that? And next week we have CPI data coming out, I believe. So we know that next week CPI data is what's really going to determine what's the Fed's next move. So that's a big deal. So there's a lot of uncertainty. I won't say fear as of right now because we're pretty sure that interest rates going to go up a little bit. We're pretty sure that the Fed going to come in with some negativity, but it's uncertainty. How big, how deep are they going to go into our pockets, right? That's what the uncertainty is about. So as of right now, the market came down. It was way overbought. It was extremely bullish, and it's only come down really just a little bit, but it's come down enough for us to cool off and potentially see another run up. Now, but next week we need a catalyst, right? At this point, we need a catalyst. Next week could potentially be that catalyst for an up or down market. So let's just go ahead and take a look at the day and the week, right? It's Friday. Let's look at how do we close out for the week. So we got the Dow Jones up today 0.50%, the S&P 500 up 0.22%, the Nasdaq down 0.61%, and the Russell up 0.18%. Let's go ahead and start with the Dow for the week, right? On the 5-day, it's actually still up 0.24%, so the Dow is doing well. Even though I think it had a bad month, it was down 0.31% for the month. Well, I think the others are actually up for the month. We have the S&P 500 down for the week 0.59%. Now, again, these are very small numbers, right? Nothing, really nothing at all. You know what I'm saying? Nothing at all. But it's still a slight pullback for our indexes that have been running up the entire month of January. And on the month, see what I'm saying? The Dow is down for the month, but look at the S&P 500 for the month, up 3.04%, but it's down for the week. So we're still doing very well as far as these indexes go. We got the Nasdaq down for the week 1.79%, and for the month still up 7.19%. Strong run for 2023 so far. And finally, we got the Russell, right? It's down 2.63% for the week, but it's still up 4.05% for the month. So all in all, 2023, we're still holding strong, but we've had our first bad week so far, right? And even then, it's not really even crazy bad. 5%, 2%, 1%, half a percent, and then up. So I'm still feeling slightly bullish myself, but I still know based on that it's still due for a pullback, especially when I come look at this fear and greed. So if we came down from extreme greed, y'all know, look at this. A week ago, 76. We were at 75, and now we've come back down to this 70 range, right? We always want to stay between the neutral and the greed if we want to remain in a bull market, because things right now extremely greedy. It was extremely pumped up. The market ran up way too high, way too fast. So seeing this slight pullback is good for the markets because that means what? We have more room to run. Talking about more room to run, y'all know my big dog, Tesla. It is down 5% today, but this bad boy has been on the move. Before this 5% today, look at this. For the week at the top side, that bad boy hit 211, I want to say. For the week, it was up, and I can't even get it at the bottom. There it goes. For the week, it was up to 10.29% until, what day is this? February 9th, which was yesterday. So starting yesterday, we came down a total of 7%. Now, and that's with today. What we down today, 5%. So we lost 2% yesterday, 5% today. But y'all know what that means, right? Tesla got more room to go. More room to go. I was elated to see this bad boy run up to 212.79. You gotta know I made money on the way up. even when it was coming down, I almost trusted my heart and ignored the chart. But I was like, nah, Kelvin, don't you trade calls because this bad boy is on that pullback. It ran up too strong. It has potentially come down, and I made money on the way down, just like I made money on the way up. And the only good thing to me about this bad boy coming down to 196, guess what that means? That means I got all the way, I could run all the way back up to 212. That's about what, $20? So $6 is 202. So $16 potential upside for me to catch. If it continues to go down, I'm still looking forward to another more upside later on, but I'm gonna make money to the downside first. So man, Tesla has been strong. It has really been a bull in this market, and I'm really loving it. Most of the other companies have just been doing, whatever. So that's all we have there. I don't really have any crazy news for you besides beware of the CPI data. Yes, we are fairly up in the after hours, but that don't mean nothing on a Friday to me. So hopefully you all enjoyed the video. We're going to see you guys again Sunday. Make sure you like, subscribe to the video, share with your family and friends. And thank you guys for joining me. Oh, let me full screen this. We got to do this again. I thank you guys for joining the journey to become wealthy. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.